In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove spots, blemishes, or even objects from a picture using the built-in Photos app within Windows 10. So open up your Pictures folder and select a picture of your choice. In my case, I'm going to choose this picture of a woman who has a freckly face. If I wanted to remove some of those blemishes or freckles, select the Edit and Create option right in the top toolbar, then select Edit, and then from there select Adjust. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom and select Spot Fix. Spot Fix removes spots and blemishes. Click on that. You will then see a little blue circle. What you need to do is select the blemish or the spot you want to remove from the picture. You can also zoom in and zoom out. Now you need to make sure that the blemish or spot you want to remove is within the actual blue circle. So if I choose this one here, click that, you can see it disappears. If I press reset, you can see it come back. Redo, reset. So you can see that the spot or the blemish is completely removed and it's replaced with a natural skin tone, so it just fits in perfectly and you can't even tell that it's been removed. So I could go around her whole face and kind of remove lots of these freckles if I wanted to. If, for example, I want to remove objects from a picture, so I'll choose this one, which is a boat. Again, select the Edit and Create option, Edit, Adjust, and then Spot Fix at the bottom. Again, it's the same process. I can zoom in a little bit. If, for example, I want to remove some of these small windows on the bottom of this boat, just make sure that they're within the blue circle. Click, left click, and they're all gone. And it all blends in naturally. It gets replaced with the natural blue color of the boat. I can also do this one here. So really, it's as simple as that. You can remove spots, blemishes, or even objects from a picture using the built-in Photos app within Windows 10. So if I want to save this particular picture, I can either click Save here, which kind of overwrites the original, or I can click Save a Copy, which creates a new copy and retains the original. So either option will do. So I've now saved a copy of that. If I go back to my Pictures folder, you can see here's the original. Just open it up, and you can still see the windows there. And here's the one I just created or edited, and you can see the boat with no windows, so it looks completely natural. It's simple to use, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.